Top 10 mixed grammar quiz. Can you score 10 out of 10? Only 1% of people can pass this test. Okay, test your skills. Let's begin. First question for you. The correct answer is option B. Next question. Option C is the right answer. Another question for you. This question is very easy. Option D is the right answer. Ready for the next question. This question is very hard. Very few people know the correct answer. The correct answer is option A. Another question for you. This question is a bit tricky, so be careful. Option C is the right answer. Let's see the next one. This one is very hard. Almost everyone makes a mistake here. Be careful. Option D is the right answer. Next question. This question is quite tough. The correct answer is option B. Question number 8. This question looks easy, but it's not. Many people fail this one. The correct answer is option C. Another question for you. Option A is the right answer. Get ready for your last question. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. Most people get this wrong, so don't underestimate this question. The correct answer is option B. Here is a big challenge for you. Can you score 80 out of 100? Only 1% of people can pass this test. Want to see where your English level stands? Let's test your grammar skills right now.